Okay, so today I will share to you the advantages and disadvantages of taking care of your rabbits in a free-range way, or what we call the free-range rabbit. Okay, so let's have the advantages first. So number one advantage is you don't need to buy your own cages to take care of them. You just need to have a vacant lot or area, enclosed area, wherein you can rear them, so it can reduce your cost when it comes to cages. Number two advantage is they are less susceptible to heat stress, especially in the country wherein they are experiencing excessive heat. Okay, so the rabbits have the behavior of burrowing to the ground. We all know that the soil is humid, it is cold, so they can express their behavior by burrowing themselves in the ground, and they can find a place wherein there is cold spot or humid spot or moist spot. That's why it lessens the heat stress they feel from the environment. Number three advantage is you don't need to clean their manure from the cages, because they will just lay their waste anywhere else, and that waste will be integrated to the soil. Number four advantage is you can consider their animal welfare. Okay, so by setting them free, you can consider their animal welfare. They can roam around, they can freely express their natural behavior, and they are happy that they can roam around instead of being confined in a cages. Number five advantage is especially you have many rabbits that are roaming around. It can serve as a tourist spot for the visitors, because the visitors, they want to see rabbits roaming around, especially when there are many. They are nice to see. It's nice to see rabbits roaming around in groups. Okay, it can serve as a tourist attraction. Okay, so now let's go to the disadvantages of having your free-range rabbit farm. Number one, they are susceptible to diseases because they have access to soil, to the grounds. So they are prone to the parasites in the ground. So they are most likely to have diseases. So number two disadvantages is they are very vulnerable to predators, especially if you are living in a community wherein there are many dogs around in your neighborhood. So they are vulnerable, especially if you have a less secure perimeter fence. The dogs will just try to force entry to your rabbit farm, rabbit barn, and they will eat your rabbit, especially the bunnies. So I experience those things. That's why I'm very careful when I'm having my rabbit in free range. I make sure that it is well secured. Okay, number three disadvantage is they are most likely to escape from your farm, especially if you have a poor fencing or perimeter fence. If it's not secured, it has holes or any entry that can make them escape, they are most likely to escape from your farm. Number four advantage is you cannot identify which rabbit give their birth unless you see them and you identify them. Okay, so the problem here is there are poor identification unless you make a way to identify your rabbits by giving them tags or markings. Number five, you cannot determine or locate or identify what area did they lay their offspring. So because they make their burrow anywhere else, so you cannot locate them unless unless you see the hole where they burrowed. Okay, so that's it guys. I've shared to you some of my experiences in free range rabbit farming. I hope you will become successful one day in your if you choose to have your free range rabbit as your community.